at the Zesting Chelsea channel. And today I have my friend Ellen here as always. And we're going to be singing a song called Bean. Yeah. Was there a bee by me? Is it
Moldy cheese and caramel butter popcorn.
Yeah. But I'm not very lucky when Bean Balloons. So the song is called Bean Balloons 2. As you know, we are going to be singing it. That's what we say. Okay. This is our 6th video, I think. And right now we have, how many views do we have? Oh, I know. 3,293. That's how many views we have. I didn't tell you.
What? I never watched them.
I didn't tell you.
Since I came from my medication.
Some shout outs. Somebody's working on something. Some shout outs to Sachi. Ravier.
Julia B.
Julia B. Sal. And my cousin.
Yes. Who else did views?
No, they subscribe. Okay,
Yeah.
whatever. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and don't put thumbs up. It doesn't work when you do it. It works when you do it. Thumbs up. Or comment. Okay. We spent like 10 minutes doing this. Okay, here is the song. The Bean Balooza, Bean Balooza, grows so good. Baby wipes the coconut, tutti frutti, a stinky stuff. Which one do you choose? The Bean Balooza, Bean Balooza, good, bad, jelly beans. So that is our song. That's the end of our song. Security! Yeah! Come on, get him! Look at this. Breaking news! Those people run to the wrong thing! They fell. He's a criminal still running! Run for your life! We're on YouTube, don't forget this! Don't forget this moment! Yes! Say pieces and things right now, I do! Police! Come on! Security, get him! Yes! Oh, they got him. And he fell down. So did he. He's alive! He's still alive! Oh, shoot. Huh? They're running. Okay.